Hello and welcome. In this video, we're going to find out where you can find and read about the AI tools on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So, to find them, first open up settings. And now, if we scroll down a little bit, we'll be able to find the Galaxy AI right here. And as you can see, here we will be able to find the list of the AI tools on our phone. For example, we have the real-time call assist, which will translate the call in real time, which is pretty neat feature for me. The writing assist, note assist, this looks pretty nice because this can help you when you go to school, for example. And for me, this was also really interesting, the photo assist. As you can see, you can for example remove objects, people, so this sounds pretty good also. And for example, the health assist, it also uses some AI features too. So that's pretty much it. And if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.